Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore live chat conversion with Drift, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore live chat conversations with Drift, begin by logging into your Drift account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can access your settings. Click on the Interactions tab to find chat transcripts. Within the Interactions menu, locate the Conversations section. Here, you will see a list of all your previous chats. Utilize the search bar at the top to find specific conversations. You can filter by date or user to streamline your search. Once you find the conversation you wish to restore, click on it to open. Review the chat details to ensure it's the correct one. If you need to export the conversation, look for the export option on the right corner. Select the format in which you wish to download the chat transcript. After downloading, you can choose to save it to your device or upload it to your preferred storage platform. To re-import the chat back into Drift, go to the Import Conversations section in the settings. Upload the transcript you previously downloaded. Fill in the required fields, such as the date and user details, to complete the import. Once uploaded, verify that the conversation appears in the Conversations section. You can now continue the interaction with the user from where you left off. If you encounter any issues during the restoration process, consult the Drift Help Center for further assistance. Follow these steps, and you'll ensure seamless communication with your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.